Learning target. Explain how animals and specialized plant structures can positively affect plant reproduction. Seed dispersal. So seed dispersal is when plants make seeds that can grow into new plants. But if the seeds just fall to the ground under the parent plant, they might not get enough sun, water, or nutrients from the soil. Because plants cannot walk around and take their seeds to other places, they've developed other methods to disperse or move their seeds. So there are 5 methods of seed dispersal. You have wind, water, animal, fire, and explosion. With wind dispersal, the seeds are typically light and easily carried by the wind. You'll see some examples like a dandelion. If you blow on the head of a dandelion, you'll notice that the seeds are very easily dispersed. They are picked up and carried by the wind to a new location. Another example are the little helicopters. You'll notice that those will kind of fall and just flutter from the tree into a new location. Water dispersal. Seeds are located near a body of water. They will travel easily with the water current. So a good example for this one are coconuts. Coconuts will typically use water as transportation. Once on land, they will disperse their seeds, and a new coconut tree will grow. Animal dispersal. Animals have a few different ways of helping plants disperse their seeds. Some seeds have hooks or bars that catch onto an animal's fur, feathers, or skin and hitchhike a ride to a new location. So if you notice the picture in the far left corner, that is the type of animal dispersal that is being shown there. The dog has got stick ties and cocoa burrs stuck to his skin. They're hoping to hitchhike a ride and fall off to a new location. So some animals will eat fruits and berries, digest, and excrete them in a different location. If you look at the picture in the middle, the bird is eating the berries. He is hopefully going to digest them and excrete them in a different location. And then last but not least, animals such as squirrels will bury nuts or seeds for later, and sometimes they'll forget about them. So this allows that seed to grow and develop into a tree. Explosion dispersal. Some plants distribute their seeds by violently ejecting them so that they will fall well away from the parent plant. So we're going to watch a short little video that shows an example of this. You'll see that this plant is ejecting those seeds. It basically builds up pressure inside. Once it reaches a certain temperature and a certain pressure, they will explode those seeds out to a new location. Then we have fire dispersal. So plants cannot run away from a fire. Some plants have developed a way to help their seeds survive. There are some species of pine trees that require the heat from a fire before their cones will open up and release seeds. So basically what happens is once these cones reach a certain temperature, they will open up and the seeds will disperse. So just to review, there are 5 methods of seed dispersal. You have wind, water, animal, fire, and explosion.